Here's why you should never visit the dark web, the internet's seediest underbelly. The dark web is a sinister, illegal part of the deep web, the majority of the internet that isn't indexed by regular search engines and can only be reached with an onion router. Browsing certain parts of the dark web can get you into serious trouble with the law, as many of the sites own their traffic in drugs, contraband, and even illegal pornography. Outside of legal ramifications, there's also stuff on the dark web that can scar you for life psychologically, like videos and images of violence and abuse. While onion routers are typically pretty secure, they've also been infiltrated before, meaning your dark web viewing habits could potentially be leaked to the general public. The dark web is crawling with law enforcement like the FBI, so if you step out of line, you could land yourself in prison. Thinking about browsing the dark web, the unindexed home of contraband on the internet, for some premium illegal wares, using an onion router to make sure you're untraceable? Stop right there. Not only is that immoral, you're also probably less anonymous than you think. This is how the FBI can track you down on the dark web. First, the FBI could hack a website you interacted with while there, exposing your IP address. Second, FBI agents have been known to go undercover creating dummy sites for everything from drugs to hitmen to catch naive would-be criminals. However, if you buy your contraband on a real criminal website, your purchase may still get intercepted by the Postal Service and traced right back to you. If the dealer of your illegal wares of choice gets captured, you and all their other customers can be easily found from their confiscated hard drives. And this is more likely than you think. Some dealers are even caught after advertising their dark web products on the surface web. So maybe it's just better to stay off the dark web altogether.